Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Frank. I'm your host, Frankie Corsell. On today's episode, we're going to be making a one-pot chickpea noodle soup. You're going to start off by dicing one medium white or yellow onion. You can either peel it with your fingers or with a knife. Just be safe. You're going to want to go ahead and put that in your pot over medium heat and saute them. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Grapeseed oil works or avocado oil, whichever you prefer. Then I'll be adding garlic powder. You can also use 4 garlic cloves. Next, I'm going to take 4 stalks of celery and chop them nicely. Then, you're going to want 5 whole carrots. Scrub them clean to ensure there's no dirt if you're grabbing them fresh from your garden. And then you're going to want to cut them into discs. Add the celery and carrot to the pot and let them cook up with the onion. Don't forget to stir it frequently. That way you won't be burning anything at the bottom of the pot. You'll want to let them cook for approximately 5 minutes. If you have a moment, please like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get a notification for the next Cooking with Frank video. Now, 5 minutes is up, let's stir it again. Add 1 can of rinsed and drained chickpeas. Next, add 8 cups of broth. Give it a quick stir to make sure all the ingredients are mixing well. Then, add 2 bay leaves. Keep on stirring it. Let it simmer. Then, add in your gluten-free rice noodles and let them sit for about 10 minutes. After that, you're going to want to let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to remove your bay leaves. After 20 to 30 minutes, you're ready to eat your soup. Serve in a bowl and enjoy. Thanks for watching.